if sine theta equals 0.4, cos x equals 0.5, and tan alpha equals 0.6, find what is the cos of pi divided by 2 plus theta. I'm going to start off with that, with cos pi over 2 plus theta. First thing I do is cast. I'm working in radians, so this is 0, pi, 2 pi. Now, pi over 2, which is there, pi over 2, plus theta is lying over there, but now I'm working for my y-axis. If you've watched any of my other videos, I kept on saying, working from my x-axis, so cos stays cos, sine stays sine, tan stays tan. However, the moment I work from my y-axis, I'm working with my complementary angles. And the complementary angle for cos is sine, because sine is sinus and cos is the cosinus, the tangent and the cotangent. If you do Math C, secant and the cosecant. So the moment I work from my y-axis, cos is going to change to its co-function, which is the sine of my reference angle theta. Okay, and all that you have to now decide is what's the sine. And this can be confusing. I'm going to start with cast. And the golden rule here is we look at what was given. So before I got there, the cos in my second quadrant is negative, the sine of my reference angle. So I'm working for my y-axis. I'm working with my co-function, so it means cosine change to sine because I'm working with my from my y-axis, and then cos is negative there, and that's why it's minus the sine of theta. And what is sine theta? Sine theta is 0.4, so this is the same as negative 0.4. There's a few ways to do tangent. The tangent of, if I go and I say the tangent, now I'm working with alpha. So when I say the tan of alpha, I'm going to start here and just move over. If I start here and say the tan of 3 pi over 2 plus alpha, I'm going to draw my cast diagram. On my cast diagram, I'm working in radians, so it's 0, pi, 2 pi, this is pi over 2, this is 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 means it's from there, positive direction is in this direction, so this is 3 pi over 2. Right, so what I'm going to do is the following. I say, in my fourth quadrant, tangent is negative. I'm working for my y-axis, so if I'm working for my y-axis, tan change to cotan, the co-function of my reference angle, and the reference angle is alpha. So that is minus the cot of alpha. But they didn't give us the cot of alpha. The cot of alpha, they gave us the tan. Now the cot of alpha is the same as 1 over the tan of alpha. That is what the cot is. It's the inverse. So that negative is still there. This will then give us an answer of negative 1 over 0.6. You can do that with the calculator, or you can say 0.6 is the same as minus 1/6 over 10. This one turns around, so it becomes minus 10 over 6. And that will be your answer.